Okay, Ville Saint-Pierre, we're doing a simple salad recipe today. Today it's going to be just some fresh garden salad, some baby spinach, some spicy greens, and some radishes. We started by washing the lettuces, and now I'm just going to trim it and make sure everything is good on it. And then we're going to add the different things. We're going to be using a balsamic vinegar salad dressing. This one is a store-bought, but you can make your own. It's very easy. So we're going to start now. Trim the ends. And me, I like it in bigger pieces. There's another trick, cut it down the lengthwise. This way, you end up with bite size. And you just throw it in your bowl. You can tear it by hand also, it's your choice. Now when it comes to spinach, I take off in my salads, this was all pre-washed, I trim off the end, the stems. Some people like it, some don't. If the leaf is too big, I just tear them. And you can see some of these are big leaf, so you just tear it in half or in quarters. Anything not nice, garbage. And this is great in summertime because in summer it's hot. If you're barbecuing, like today we're doing hamburgers. The same thing with the spicy greens. I pull the stems and I just keep the leaf. Radishes, it's pretty simple, ladies and gentlemen. Take your radishes. These ones were just washed before. And you just trim the ends. I'm just gonna trim all my radishes. Now you can leave them sliced, or you can leave them whole. If they're very small, you can just cut them in half even. It's a pretty simple thing. If you have a mandolin, well, you can slice them on a mandolin. Mandolin is a slicer. I'm making them decent thickness. I'm not making these paper thin. I mean, you could. Slice them whatever way you like them. Today on the second half, we're going to be doing hamburgers on the barbecue and cheeseburgers actually. Today I'm going to show you how to do bagel burgers. And a bagel burger is just that, it's a bagel. And because here at the marché we have fresh bagels that come from Ville Emard. And it makes a great hamburger or a cheeseburger. It's different. I mean, for a breakfast thing or a brunch thing on the weekend, it's really fun. So here we go. We season it. This is just salt, pepper, and a little bit of barbecue spice that I put through a food processor to get it more fine. Now, it goes on the grill. And now, it takes 3 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the opposite, because I'm using patties that I made, and I pre-made them, and I froze them. The reason is I know then a frozen burger takes me, a 3-ounce burger takes me exactly 3 minutes one side, 2 minutes on the other side. And it's perfectly cooked. For the bagel, it's very simple. I have a bread knife. And all I'm going to do is go around and I'm going to cut my bagel in half. Just like that. And I want it toasted. So I'm going to put it on. This side I have no heat. It's just closed. The heat is coming from the other two burners. So it'll toast very slowly while the hamburger is cooking. For the y'all dress, it's very, very simple. Just a little bit of mustard. And I put it on both sides because otherwise your bagel is going to get all like drippy.